It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hi guys and girls, let me present you my Ford Focus 2007. It's a European version, left-hand sided. It's got a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine, 5-cylinder engine. Basically it's a Volvo, and well, it is a Volvo engine from the T5 series. It makes 225 horsepower factory, but to be honest, it's not that much if we look at the engine displacement. So for a 2.5 liter engine, you would expect a lot more. This is why this car is very popular in the tuning scene, as the engine is very robust and reliable and can easily be tuned to up to 260 horsepower as factory. Currently my car runs 250 horsepower. It has no modification at all, just a K&N induction kit and a exhaust back system. So basically just the back side of the exhaust has been changed to straight pipes. It is a very comfortable car, to be honest. It has Recaro seats, nothing fancy, just a sunroof and bike xenon headlights. Basically the car is very factory. It had no modification done. It comes with the standard 18-inch rims. Oh, I just forgot, the front brake discs are EDC discs. It handles excellent, really good around corners. Unfortunately, it does not have a differential. It's a front-wheel drive. Its big brother, the Ford Focus RS, comes with 305 horsepower, but it is equipped with a differential, which does make a difference in the front-wheel drive. In my opinion, it's a really cool car. I really like it. I love it. Unfortunately, in the US, you guys did not have the chance to try it out, because it was only made for the European market. But you guys do have the chance to try out the newer models, which is really nice. But to be honest, the reason why I bought this car because of the engine. So the 5-cylinder engine is just amazing. I love it, to be honest. I just love the car. Well, that's all I can say about it, and thank you very much. Have a great one.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!